Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with AWS IAM Access Analyzer step by step clearly. To register with AWS IAM Access Analyzer, start by going to the AWS Management Console. Log in with your AWS account credentials. In the search bar, type IAM and select IAM from the drop-down menu. Once in the IAM dashboard, look for Access Analyzer in the left navigation pane. Click on Access Analyzer to access the feature. If this is your first time using Access Analyzer, you'll see an option to create an analyzer. Click on the Create Analyzer button. You will be prompted to provide a name for your analyzer. Enter a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. Next, choose the analyzer type. Select between account or organization based on your needs. If you select organization, ensure that your account has the necessary permissions. Review the additional settings, such as the chosen regions for analysis. Once you've filled out all required fields, click on the Create Analyzer button. A confirmation message will appear to indicate that the analyzer is being created. It may take a few moments for the process to complete. After creation, your new analyzer will be listed on the Access Analyzer page. You can view its status and the findings related to access permissions. To analyze existing resources, simply click on the analyzer's name. Explore the findings to identify any potential security issues. Make sure to regularly check the analyzer for updates on your resource permissions. For further actions, you can choose to set alerts or integrate with AWS CloudTrail. Always ensure that you understand the permissions granted to your resources. This will help maintain the security of your AWS environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.